Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.9434 rands a coin. The present cost range: 1.8844, 1.9932. The earlier day close: 1.9131. The change was plus 0.0303, plus 1.58%. Converse rate: ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at 3.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.03, while low cost 3.51. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.79. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.77, change for April 2.3%. Dogecoin conjecture for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at 3.77 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.77, while low cost 3.04. The found the middle value of cost 3.46. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 3.27, change for May 13.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at 3.27 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.89, while low cost 3.27. The found the middle value of cost 3.52. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 3.64, change for June 11.3%. Dogecoin estimate for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at 3.64 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.64, while low cost 2.99. The found the middle value of cost 3.37. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 3.21, change for July 11.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else, cost at 3.21 rands. Excessive cost 3.34, while low cost 2.90. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.14. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 3.12, change for August 2.8%. Dogecoin figure for September 2024. Before all else, cost at 3.12 rands. Excessive cost 3.54, while low cost 3.08. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.26. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 3.31, change for September 6.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 3.31 rands. Excessive cost 3.31, while low cost 2.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.14. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 3.07, change for October 7.3%. Dogecoin figure for November 2024. Before all else, cost at 3.07 rands. Excessive cost 3.07, while low cost 2.56. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.86. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.75, change for November 10.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 2.75 rands. Excessive cost 3.41, while low cost 2.75. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.03. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.19, change for December 16.0%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 3.19 rands. Excessive cost 3.47, while low cost 3.01. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.23. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.24, change for January 1.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset, cost at 3.24 rands. Excessive cost 3.52, while low cost 3.06. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.28. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.29, change for February 1.5%. Dogecoin conjecture for WALK 2025. At the outset, cost at 3.29 rands. Excessive cost 4.09, while low cost 3.29. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.62. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 3.82, change for spring 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at 3.82 rands. Excessive cost 4.35, while low cost 3.79. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.01. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 4.07, change for April 6.5%. Dogecoin figure for May 2025. To start with, cost at 4.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.07, while low cost 3.52. The middle value of cost 3.86. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 3.78, change for May 7.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2025. To start with cost at 3.78 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.23, while low cost 3.67. The middle value of cost 3.91. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 3.95, change for June 4.5%. Dogecoin gauge for July 2025. In the first place cost at 3.95 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.29, while low cost 3.73. The middle value of cost 4.00. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 4.01, change for July 1.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at 4.01 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.35, while low cost 3.79. The middle value of cost 4.06. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 4.07, change for August 1.5%. Dogecoin gauge for September 2025. In the first place cost at 4.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.34, while low cost 3.78. The middle value of cost 4.06. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 4.06, change for September 0.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place cost at 4.06 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.26, while low cost 3.70. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.00. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.98, change for October 2.0%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2025. At the outset cost at 3.98 rands. Excessive cost 4.02, while low cost 3.50. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.82. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.76, change for November 5.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at 3.76 rands. Excessive cost 4.09, while low cost 3.55. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.81. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.82, change for December 1.6%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2026. At the outset cost at 3.82 rands. Excessive cost 4.15, while low cost 3.61. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.87. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.88, change for January 1.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2026.